In all the cars of Hyundai lineup, the Creta has earned as much name as the car has earned, and it is because of the great looks and design of the Creta and the proper attitude of SUV. But the one who kept going Creta alive in this segment, then Hyundai now has done a little tinkering for which Hyundai will definitely have to bear the consequences. Well, only time will tell you, but I will tell you that Hyundai has launched a 2022 updated model for Creta in Indonesia. As seen in this picture that surfaced only a couple of days ago, the facelifted Creta gets an all new face this time around, which is inspired by the new generation Tucson. The parametric jewel grille looks more cool and futuristic, and vertical headlamp integrated in bumper looks like Palisade SUV. With this all through, Creta definitely looks tougher, but like the current generation on sale in India, the styling is still bouncing split of opinion. The profile is still the same and changes are little but noticeable at the rear. The tailgate self new character lines possibly applied by a Catwoman that add notable bit of sharpness to the rear end design, with slight tweaks to tailgate match. So looks aside, a big talking point, the features. This Creta gets ambient lighting and the 10.2-inch fully digital instrument cluster you see in the Alcazar. But more importantly, it gets Hyundai Smart Sets in a sense ads which included forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist, blind spot assist and rear cross traffic assist as well. Considering the MG S2 gets these driving assistant features, Hyundai should make them available in India as well. Duo variant equipped very good as will be pretty penny more expensive. Otherwise, the Creta interior packaging is still the same, and we don't expecting in the engine option either. Wouldn't when this update will make it India just yet, but could happen in mid 2022. That's it people for this video, and you tell us your thought about the Creta in comment section below.